Alright guys, we are back here, and we've had to skip off this one because when I was working with it, it would cause that funny sound that we talked about earlier. And the second I put it in, it does it again, see? And even though it is on 14 here, I try to move it, nothing happens. Let's see if it's 13. No. It's just that 14 refuses to work for some reason. But anyway, I'm going to pull it out again, because we don't need that kind of problem. Alright. Okay, so let's continue on with the other leg here. I'm going to start from the bottom. Now, that corresponds to number 9. So we'll go find 9, and it's going to be on this side here. Now, the ones that are going on this side are going to be with the little pins facing towards us. It's the opposite of the other side. Alright, and as you can see there, it connected up. Now we will look for the next one, which will be 8. And 8 will go in here. There we go. And then we will go find ourselves the next one up. We've done the bottom 2 there. Next one up will be this one here, the knee, other bit of the knee joint. And it will continue on. It went into 7. Now there's 2 more. It'll be the bottom one here. Should still go in, no problem. There. And the next one, hopefully it won't give us a problem, but the other one did, so who knows. Alright, this one seems to be okay. Alright, so that was the top one. Or did I get them confused? No, that was correct. Alright, so one leg had one issue. The second leg looks like it's fine. So now we'll move on to the next part, but that will be in the next video, so I'll see you then.